Hey guys, I hope you are doing well and enjoy watching my video tutorial. So welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand, and in this SQL tutorial we are going to see a subqueries. So let's get started. So subquery is a query within a query, and we can write this subquery anywhere in the SQL statement. So this subquery reside in a select expression, in a from clause and a where clause. So we are going to see how to write the subqueries in the select statement, or instead of from clause we can write a subquery, or how to use the subquery in a filter condition. So that we are going to see in a practicals. So before that, some theory knowledge, like subquery is also known as a inner query, or somewhere it called as a inner select, and the query that contains a subquery is known as a outer query or outer select. So this is the theoretical knowledge. So let's move to the practicals. So this is our table orders that we are going to demonstrate a subquery. So order contain these four attributes like order ID, customer ID, items, and price. So we have a problem statement, something like that. So this is our orders table that we have seen in the SQL Server. And we wanted to, first problem is we wanted to identify like the customer spent how much amount to purchase an item, like customer ID equal to 1 has spent, you can see this table. So he spent total 150 rupees to purchase sanitizer and hand gloves. Similarly, PP for customer ID equal to 3 has spent 2650 amount to purchase these many items: PPE kit, sanitizer, hand gloves, badminton kit, carom, and bag. Similarly, we wanted to find out for customer ID equal to 4, 5, and so on. So this is our from first problem statement, and that we are going to solve with the subquery, and we will write the subquery in the select statement. So let's see the practicals. This is our orders table, and we name as a alias as a O1. So let me select all field, and the output that we derived with the subquery we name as a total amount spent by customer, and here we write a subquery in a select statement. So our subquery will be something like that. We wanted to find out the total price spent by the customer. So I, before that, just write down the name of table orders. I will give name alias name as a O2. So I will just write the price name. So but this is not enough. If I do the just if you wanted to fire this query, so this is not the output I'm expecting. Like here, if you can see that this has figure out total amount spent by this price, so it will give me the sum of price. So the twist is here we will provide some filter conditions like o1 dot customer id equal to o2 dot customer id, because I wanted to perform sum only for the matching customer. Like I wanted to find out the customer 1 has spent how much money, so only for which whenever there is a match it will return the sum. So let's see the output. Yeah, so we can see that customer id equal to 1 has a total spend 150 amount to purchase two items. So let's verify with our excel. Yeah, so this is the correct output. Similarly, customer id equal to 3 has purchased uh, so many items with the spending amount 2650 that we can see here. Yeah, so this is our first solution of with the subquery, subquery in a select statement. Select statement. Now second that we have seen in the PPT as how to write subquery with with the help of from. So we have another problem statement. Like in the first problem statement, we have obtained like how customer has spent how much amount of money to buy an item. Now we wanted to identify like which customer has paid highest number of amount to purchase the spend highest number of money to purchase all item. So if you can see that here 2650 amount spent by the customer ID equal to 3, and this is the highest amount among all customer. So the output should be like this, so that we can figure out with the help of subquery. So subquery in from clause. So just let me write down the query. So before that, I wanted to calculate customer has spent how much amount to purchase an item. So that will be, we'll do with the help of our group by clause and aggregate functions. So this will return us an output like customer ID equal to 1 has spent 150 to purchase an item, customer ID equal to 3 has spent 2650 to purchase an item, and similarly. Now we wanted to retrieve only this as output 2650, so that we can do with the help of subquery. Now the thumb rule of subquery, if we are using an aggregate function in inner query, so you must provide an alias name. So I just provided here. Now I wanted to find out the maximum among this amount column, so I will just do maximum of amount and from clause. So instead of table, I will just write this subquery. So just give me indentation so it will be like easier to identify. So I just, instead of providing a table name, I have just provided a subquery, and let's see how it works. Yeah, so here we are 2650. So we have solved another problem with the subquery, and we have determined the maximum amount spent by the customer. Now the last problem statement is subquery in a where clause. So for that we have a problem statement. Now we wanted to know like which customer has purchased an item more than 500. So a customer, if you can see that here, customer ID equal to 3, he spent more than 500 to purchase one single item. So now we wanted to print all his purchase item with the prize money, so that we can you can see in this table, like we wanted to know the customer who has purchased a single item who has money more than 500, and also we wanted to list down his all expenditure that he has spent on purchase and items, so that we can solve with the help of from clause. So I just print here from orders. Now I wanted to know customer ID. So here I will also provide the customer ID from orders table. Now my filter condition will be where price is greater than 500. So I will just name alias O as a O, and let's see the output. So we can see that we have used the subquery in a where clause, and this will give us an output like we have wanted in the Excel report. So I hope guys you have understood the queries, subqueries. So if you have any questions, do let me know by comments. Till then, take care of yourself and happy learning.